everyone! In this video, I'll share with you how to make an easy version of Afghan Bolani. All measurements are noted in the description. In a large pot, steam the potatoes over medium heat for 30 minutes. You'll know the potatoes are ready when you can pierce them with a knife. While the potatoes are cooking, chop the cilantro and spring onions and dice the tomatoes. After your potatoes are done, let the potatoes cool off a little and then begin to peel. Use a towel or oven mitt if the potatoes feel hot, so you don't burn your hands. Add in the cilantro, green onions, tomatoes, red pepper flakes, and olive oil. Add salt and pepper to taste. Mash the ingredients to combine. Once everything is mashed together, we can begin filling the egg roll wrappers. Take an egg roll wrapper and use your fingers to line the edges with water. This will work as the glue to hold the bolani once we fill and fold it over. Fill half of the wrapper with the potato filling evenly. Fold over the other half to close the wrapper. Gently press down to flatten. Repeat these steps until all of the filling is used. Warm up a pan over medium heat and add olive oil. Fry each side of the bolani until it's light golden brown, about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. I usually serve it with a side of plain yogurt. Enjoy!